Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the passcode on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to change the passcode of your iPhone, just go to Settings, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. From here, just enter your current passcode. Now, on this page, you will find the option of Change Passcode. Just tap on it. Now, from here, just enter your current passcode. Now, as you can see, for the next 72 hours, you can use your previous passcode to reset your new passcode in case if you forget the new passcode. Now, in this section, just enter your new passcode. Then select Use Anyway. Now, just enter your new passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. And once you have done that, you will change the passcode on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the passcode on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.